Hello everyone, it's Victor here once again and welcome to Victor's Tiny Kitchen where we cook Filipino favorites and more. And for today guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make tuna casserole. Tuna casserole is another delicious dish. It's so tasty and definitely you guys can make it in your own kitchen. So why don't you guys join me as I cook it. Let's get started. So to begin, we need to boil water in a pot. And then you cook your pasta according to the packaging instructions. And in this case here, it would be 9 minutes before the pasta will become al dente. Now while I'm waiting for my pasta to cook, I'm going to make my sauce. So in my pan here, which is nice and hot now, I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of butter. And I'm just going to let this melt. And into this I'm going to add in my minced onion. I'm going to let this cook, and now that my onion is translucent, I'm going to add in a minced 3 cloves of garlic. Give it a stir, and now I'm going to add in about 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Give it a stir, and to this I'm going to add in 2 cups of water. If you have chicken broth, you can use chicken broth. And since I don't have chicken broth here, I'm going to add chicken broth powder. And I'm going to give it a stir. And to this I'm going to add a cup and a half of milk. And then I'm going to add 1.5 cups of corn kernels. Along with 1.5 cups of green peas. And then I'm going to season this with salt and freshly ground pepper. I'm going to add in my 360 grams of flaked tuna. And by the way, I'm using skipjack tuna here. You can use any type of tuna if you want. I'm going to give it a good mix. I'm going to cover this again and let this simmer for another 5 minutes. And our sauce here is done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the heat here now. And I'm going to set this aside. And then at this point, what I'm going to do is to lightly grease my baking dish here. And this is what I'm going to use to bake my tuna casserole. So that's done. And at this point, I'm going to pour in here my cooked pasta. Give it a good shake. And then I'm going to pour in here my sauce. Lovely color there, beautiful. And then I'm going to give it a good mix. And to this I'm going to add 1/3 of my grated marble cheese. That's good. And I will give it a really good mix here just to let all the ingredients here come together. That is good. We'll set this aside for now. So guys, I got here the extra grated marble cheese. And I'm just adding right now 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs. About 3 tablespoons of extra virgin oil. And I'm going to give it a really good mix here. And if you're wondering guys, this is what I'm going to use as a topping for my tuna casserole. So I'm back here with my tuna casserole mix. And I'm just going to spread my breadcrumb mixture here on top of my tuna casserole. Sorry, I have to flatten the top of my tuna casserole here. Just to have that even look. Just evenly distribute your breadcrumbs mix on top of the tuna casserole here. That's done. Hi guys, I'm back here and I am now ready to pop my tuna casserole here in the oven. I have set up my oven here at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and I'm going to bake this for 20 to 25 minutes. And I will be right back, guys. Hi guys, I'm back here and it's been 25 minutes since I baked my tuna casserole here and it's time for me to take it off the oven. So here's my tuna casserole, guys, and what I did, and I didn't show it to you, was after 20 minutes in the oven, I switched my oven to broil so that I will have a brown kind of toasty top of my tuna casserole. I'll let this cool down right now and I will be back to show the final product to you. I'll be right back. Hi guys, I'm back here and my tuna casserole is now cooked. It looks so yummy. I want to taste it right now. So I'm just going to use here my fork and I'm just going to dig in here. It's a little hot right now, guys, but I think I can handle it. My mouth is already watering. It's really tasty. It's so creamy. And the top, there's a crust on it. It's crunchy. It's really good. So I hope you guys will give it a try. Let me know what you think about this dish by leaving a comment at the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thank you again for today. I hope you did have fun watching my video and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye for now.